How to manage customers or customer accounts on your Shopify store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's simple tutorial, it will be on how or the way to manage and to organize your customers and the way to treat them on your Shopify store. So first of all, we can add to the customer section. We can add different segments of customers, but generally in this customer section, we'll find all the customers that have made at least an order from your Shopify store. So here you can stay connected to your customers. You can send them a newsletter, emails, or you can simply thank them for buying or choosing your product. You can import and export this list of customers. You can add different filters, and you can add a customer manually to this list. So this is 100% of my customer base, 44 customers in total, and these are all the information of my customers right here. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.